So it's finally happening. I'm actually going to the gym today for the first time ever. The at-home workouts did not work well for me. I literally just did it once and that was it. I became lazy. So I'm going to the gym today and I'll try to take you guys along with me, but I'm not too sure how how comfortable I would be to take my camera out and start vlogging because it is my first time at the gym. But yes, I'm gonna go now and yeah, I shall see you later. And this is my outfit for today. So I've just got some leggings on. I'm going to wear my Nikes soon. I just have a shirt on, but I've just got a jumper on top or a jacket because I know it's going to be cold when I come out. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. Bye. Let's go. Let's do this.
I throwed it all for the ground tonight. The way you look at me just like I'm yours, yeah. I never felt like this before. You make me feel the way I ain't feel in a minute. I feel like I'm living when I'm looking at you, baby. Never felt like this before. You gave me butterflies in my tummy like you. Just give me love like I can only get from you.
Alright, so the workout is all done. Huh?
You're such an idiot.
I'm gonna put that in. Okay, so I just finished working out. Can you not look at me like that? Okay, so we just finished working out and alrighty, so we're just gonna go to Woolies now and pick up some stuff. Some snacks. I'm gonna pick up some blueberries and have granola for dessert because I'm really obsessed with granola at the moment. Yeah. Okay, where's the blueberries at? Oh my god, they don't have any. Where is it? Hi guys, so I'm finally back home after my gym session. I'm in so much pain. I literally feel like I'm gonna collapse, but I know it's good pain, so I'm just gonna keep going. And I think I'll go to the gym again. I'll take a break for tomorrow, but I'll go to the gym the following day. I'm just gonna go shower now because I'm just so tired. It's like 9:30. I have work tomorrow, so I need to wash my hair. It's just like so oily, and yeah, I will check in with you guys maybe tomorrow because literally I don't think I'm going to do much. Yeah. Hey guys, so it's currently Saturday today and I've got a Bollywood clubbing day event on, so I thought I'd just quickly show you guys my outfit and what I'm wearing for today. So I've got this dress on. It's off the shoulder. You guys would have seen this in my Hamilton Island vlog or my Hamilton Island lookbook. I did wear this. So I thought, you know, why not just outfit repeat because I did not have enough time to go shopping for another outfit. And considering it's like a day event, I thought this was perfect because it was flowy and floral, and I thought it was just like really, really pretty. So this is the dress that I'm wearing, and then I've just got some high heels on. They're just some strappy heels. Yeah, nothing too fancy, but yeah, and I just did my makeup. I do my makeup always the same for whenever I'm going out, so you guys can refer to my get ready with me for clubbing because I do literally the same makeup there, and that's what I've done right now. But I'm gonna go and I've just got some sunnies on, I've just got a watch on, some rings, and that's about it. I might take my denim jacket on top as well because it might be a little bit cold. But yeah, I'm running late. I'm gonna go because I'm gonna miss my train if I don't leave now, but I will check in with you guys maybe later today or tomorrow. I don't know. So these are the ingredients that I'm using for this chicken pesto recipe. So here I've got some thigh fillet, I've got some green beans, I've got some cherry tomatoes, and I've got some pesto sauce, which we'll use a little bit later. But I'll just go ahead and prepare all of this and show you what's next. Alright, so I've just put some olive oil into a pan. I'm just gonna let that heat up, and then I'll add the chicken and just some spices on top. Alright, so the chicken's here and it's just resting. Alrighty, so this is what the chicken pesto looks like. So I've just got the beans, chicken, and then the tomato in there with some spices and the pesto. I've already tried it. It tastes amazing. Cannot wait to have it for work. So I'm just gonna get this and put these into the containers for the week, and we are good to go. So I just came back from work. It is currently a Tuesday. I've just come back from dinner. I had dinner with a friend from work, and yeah, finally reached home. It's what, 9 p.m. now. I need to go change and just shower and just get into bed because I'm so tired. I want to be at work tomorrow early to get some stuff done. But I thought that, you know, I'll just show you my outfit for work anyway. So I wasn't going to talk about this, but I'll just show you my outfit anyway. I'm just wearing this white top. It's from Forever 21. I got this in Japan, and it's got those arms, the, you know, the big keyhole arm sort of things. And I've just got my sort of checkered pant legging type things. Ignore the mess in my room, like over there. I'm yet to clean that. And guys, I also wanted to keep you guys updated on how my sort of gym fitness sort of progression is going. So you guys would have remembered from my weekend in my life video. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll link it like up here for you guys to see. But basically in that video I showed you guys that I started doing at-home workouts. That was my first workout that I did, and to be honest, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but I didn't actually do any other workouts after that because I really wasn't motivated. I didn't know if my form was right, and even though I could have still practiced, I just didn't have the motivation. I think the motivation was lacking there. I just couldn't get myself to start doing at-home workouts, so that was the end of that. And then literally about maybe a month and a half later, I decided that I would go to the gym and just try out like a free trial lesson with my brother because he already goes to the gym. So I thought, you know, I'll go with him, he'll show me what to do. And I went, I did that for about an hour, and I was like, you know what? It was good, it was a really good feeling, but I feel like I still had like a lot to learn, and I really needed like a PT or someone to really show me and really push me to actually do the exercises and do the reps like correctly and intense enough so that I could actually feel like a burn or feel like a workout was actually happening. Basically, oh my god, my hands are getting tired. So what I did, so I feel like the one lesson that I had at the gym just sort of really pushed me to go like all out, literally all out. So what I did, I ended up joining F45. So I haven't joined yet, but so I'm doing the 2-week trial program, and I've already gone about 3 times now to F45. So my first lesson was on Saturday morning, and Saturday morning was apparently the hardest ones because it's like 1 hour long. Usually they're 45 minutes each, but Saturday was super long. It was 1 hour. And F45, for those of you who don't know, is basically like functional training. It's like circuit high intensity interval training or HIIT training, and that's what it is. So it's full on. It's, you know, you're in a group of like 30 people, and it's like really intense. So I just really wanted to go all out and, you know, go hard or go home. Literally, like, that was my motto, because I feel like I kept sort of complaining that I wasn't going to the gym, and I really needed to do something about it, and this was it. Like, I'm gonna continue doing it. So I'll give you guys a little bit of an update of how it all went. So basically my first lesson was on Saturday. It was good. It was it was intense, but it was a good sort of pace. I feel like I did die. I don't think I did the entire 1 hour. In fact, I think I only got through about 15 or 20 minutes of the actual circuit properly. I had to start somewhere, right? So that was that. And then Sunday was really bad. Like, Sunday absolutely killed me. I was in so much pain after the Sunday session. So Monday morning going to work, I was in a lot of pain because the Sunday session was weights training, and that was intense. But yeah, for me to do that, like, it was just such an accomplishment, because I know myself that I'm not really that kind of person. Like, I know I struggle to pick these kind of things up. So I was really happy with myself, but I'm absolutely loving F45. I think it's like a really good sort of training program. I know it's very expensive. I'm not too sure how long I'm going to stick to it, because it is $60 per week. And if you go for about like 4 or 5 lessons a week, then I suppose it's okay. But 4 or 5 lessons, let's be honest, like, who has that time? So yeah, that's my update for you guys. What I might actually do, I might do a progress video, but I want to show you guys like where my body currently stands. My actual goal is to get rid of my stomach fat, because I feel like I have a bit of a big stomach. So yeah, let me show you where I currently stand. I wouldn't usually post this sort of stuff, but I'm gonna do it because I feel like it'll help a lot of you guys out there, in case you guys are, you know, interested in seeing my journey and seeing, you know, how, and basically just helping you guys and letting you guys know, you know, it's hard. like it's hard. So I want to show you guys the progress, and you know, if you continue then you will see results. I obviously haven't seen results because it's only been like 3 days, but yeah, let me show you. So I promised you guys that I'll show you guys what I wanted to achieve. Basically it's my stomach area. I'm not too sure if you can tell, but like I've got a bit of a belly happening, but basically I'm just trying to lose my stomach fat. I'm not too sure if you can tell, but this is just me standing so you guys can't clearly see what it's like. But that is my goal. I want to make sure that I have abs. Actually, this lighting is making it look like I actually have abs, but I don't really. It's really just fat. I don't know if you can tell. Like, let me zoom in a bit. Like that and that. Like, that's literally all fat. I'm not even sure what that is, but yeah. This is what I'm sort of working towards, so yeah, let's see how it goes. Hi guys, just came back from the gym. I went to F45. It is Thursday, and yeah, today was purely like a weights-based training, and yeah, it was good. I really liked it. It was intense. Definitely not something I'm used to. I've never done weights before, so they basically had to alter a lot of the sets for me because I couldn't actually lift like more than 10 kilos. So yeah, but it was good. I feel like I am getting some sort of muscle definition. I don't know. Wait, no, that's fail. I don't know if you can see. Did you see that? Yeah, so getting a little bit of muscle definition, which feels good. I'm gonna go try and go. I can't go tomorrow, Friday, because I've got something on, and then Saturday I'll go in the morning, and Sunday I'll go in the morning as well. So I'm super keen. I just can't wait to get in shape, honestly. Like, it's been so long. I'm excited to wear clothes that actually don't make my stomach look big, so yeah. Oh yeah, in case you guys are wondering what I'm wearing, I'm just wearing a shirt with some Puma leggings. I've just taken my shoes off. But yeah, so it's face mask time. It's currently Saturday night and I am busy editing this vlog actually as we speak, but I thought I'd just quickly show you because it's Saturday night. I just showered and I'm just pampering myself a little bit, so I've just put on a face mask. So this is a face mask that I received only yesterday, actually, no, 2 days ago, as a gift. It's the Karma Ayurveda Lavana Natural Plant Mask. It's meant to nourish, deep cleanse and purify your skin, and it's from India, so I thought, you know, why not give it a try, because it's all natural, it's all organic, and it's actually good for your skin. So that's what I'm doing. I've just got a face mask on. I'll leave this on. I didn't really do a good job of applying this properly. I'll leave this on for about 20 minutes, wash it off, and yeah. Alrighty, so I've just taken off the face mask and my skin feels amazing. I love it. It's just so, it feels so tight and so refreshed, and I feel like all the impurities have been taken out of my skin. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead with my normal skincare routine, which if you haven't seen, I will link down below and also up here for you guys as well. It's just my La Roche-Posay skincare routine, and I'm just going to go downstairs and make some dessert. And my dessert, I don't like to have something that's too sweet, so I've just got some Greek yogurt with some granola and some berries or some sort of fruit. So I'll go make that, and then I'll just relax in bed and call it a night. And this video will already be up by the time you guys see it. And this is my little dessert. Just super quick and easy, something small, and I don't like having too much of a heavy dessert, so this is what I'm gonna have.